Get into a car with value. 2025 Ford Mustang Mach-E. Be exactly who you want to be in this innovative Mustang Mach-E. Potent performance, premium amenities, convenient charging options, and impressive range, combined with ingenious tech that lets you personalize the drive in this future-ready EV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, power liftgate, premium sound system. Iconic exhilaration meets future-ready tech in this impressively luxurious Mustang Mach-E. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.